about future might be very scary, but for me, the way I think of future is everything that I can dream of. In terms of being with family, on a personal level, professional level, educational level. So that is future for me. Anything that I can think of, dream of, that is future.
I see my future in a very positive way. I see that what we are doing right now in our life as youth, we are backing up ourselves with resources, qualifications and needs, and our future will depends on that. So I look at the future as something very good, something that we can focus on it and we can control it by our hands, not in the hands of anything else.
I see myself in 10 years maybe in the United Nations or as a representative for a ministry, for example, for human rights, for anything else. But as humans, we need to develop ourselves. We develop our skills, hobbies, or anything else.
Currently, I think it's them, because in Palestine and in Israel, actually, it is hard to plan for tomorrow, and that is a big challenge. However, you always have hopes for the future. I think that my family is the best investment that I have, and I think that I'm looking for the future through their eyes now at this stage.
I have no answer about the future. I hope to find a better opportunity with my MICAD. I hope to find a better job, better place.
I see my future as the place where I want to arrive, where I want to, my goals in future has be able to create something, to help others in the way in which I will feel more comfortable with.
Of course, I also look at the future as a Palestinian to have it free Palestine without occupation, without altering our daily life. This is the way I see the future.
Sometimes I'm optimistic, sometimes I'm not. It's difficult here to think about the future so much. But I think with doing this master's, I feel like there's a good future for me, and because it's like the situation is somehow stable. So I think there's a bright future in all of this darkness.
I think the future of Palestine will be a good future, but without occupation. And I hope it will be free Palestine, and the capital, Jerusalem, the capital of Palestine. I see myself in the future, I had a job and a family and kids, and to live in peace, in freedom, in free country.
My future in 30 years I see with children, I think, and with my boyfriend, and doing what I love. I don't know now what I really love. I love many things, but one of them is defending human rights, and I hope I will do that in my life too.
My future will be difficult. I see my life in 10 years, discovering new places, also in the future, traveling, but I will try also not only to travel and discover new things, but also to change the state of things in that places.
I love Bethlehem. It's where my family, it's where my life. I love social life here, and I don't think that I will have this social life anywhere else, but I think I don't have the freedom to move and to dream that big, like if I'm anywhere else.